Hello friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel Golden Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. In my video today, I'm going to be discussing with you something that is very important, especially if you're someone who has just gotten into aviation and are studying for your DGCA exams. Well, in my video today, we are going to discuss right what you see over here. I'm sure you all are aware about the subjects. Let me just quickly take you through those once again. You have air regulation, you have navigation, you have MET, you also have your technical papers to clear. So without wasting any time, let's quickly see what are the books that you should refer to for studying for those subjects. Now let's begin with air regulations. So generally for air regulations, the books that we follow are Air Regulations by Wing Commander R.K. Bali. Air Regulations also has human performance in it, and for human performance we usually refer to CAE Oxford books. These are the books that you can follow for those. Next important subject is meteorology. Here you study about your climate, your weather. So the books that we follow for those are Aviation Met, that is by Group Captain I.C. Joshi, and again the Oxford book for Met, and these are the two books that we follow here. Now the most important subject, that is the air navigation. Well, this subject helps you to navigate your route from one place to another. So the books that we follow for these are Air Navigation by again Wing Commander R.K. Bali, and you also have this question bank where you have all your questions. These are from JAR, ATPL and CPL, and this is called Keith Williams. This is made by Keith Williams. So yeah, these are the two books that we follow here. Air navigation is divided into various parts. What we saw before was one of the parts. Now we come to radio navigation. Then the books for that is again the Oxford books. And the next part is general navigation. Air navigation also has instrumentation, and you also have your flight planning and monitoring, and these are both from Oxford. Moving on to technical general. The books we follow here are the Oxford books for airframes and systems, and you have your electrics and electronics. The next part of technical general is your power plant and your principles of flight. And the next subject is your technical specific, that would be related to the aircraft that you're flying, a specific aircraft that you're flying, for example Cessna 152, 172 or a multi-engine aircraft, depends. So that is basically your pilot's operating handbook for that aircraft. Now if you want to become a pilot, you also need to have a radio telephony license. So for RTR, we mostly follow the book that is Aviation Radio Telephony Manual. This is again written by Wing Commander R.K. Bali. So these are the books you are supposed to refer to crack your DGCA exams in the first attempt. If you're worried about studying for those, please don't be worried at all. Come quickly to Golden Epaulettes Aviation and we will help you crack your DGCA exams. What are you waiting for? Come, let's fly!